Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now with no extra setup. Measure 100 g almond flour and 100 g icing sugar, then sift them twice to remove lumps and aerate the mix. Meanwhile, whisk 2 room temperature egg whites with 0.5 teaspoon cream of tartar until soft peaks form. This gives structure and lift. Once the sugar is heated to 118 degrees C for Italian meringue, you'll slowly stream it into the whites while whisking. This stabilizes the meringue, so make sure to keep steady motion and watch temperature closely. You combine the stable meringue with the sifted dry mix using a controlled macaronage. Fold using figure-8 strokes, pressing down to deflate, and rotate the bowl so the batter becomes glossy and flows like lava. You're aiming for ribboning that smooths back into the surface within 10 to 15 seconds. That timing controls feet formation and shell density. Then transfer to a piping bag and pipe consistent too. 5 cm rounds onto a silicone mat. Tap the tray to release air bubbles and let them rest to form a skin. You bake the rested shells at 150 degrees C for about 12 to 14 minutes. The feet should set first, and the tops will stop wobbling. Pull them when they release cleanly from the mat. Once cool, match similar-sized shells and pipe your filling. Then age the assembled mini macarons for 24 to 48 hours in an airtight container to harmonize texture and flavor. If shells are hollow or cracked, lower oven temperature by 5 degrees or extend resting time next batch. This fixes airflow and hydration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.